Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step how to hide Chrome's active download notification content from appearing on your lock screen. If you don't want others to see what you're downloading when your phone is locked, this quick update will help you keep your information private. Let's walk through the process together. First, pick up your phone and go straight into your settings. This is where we'll make all of the changes to control how notifications appear. Next, scroll down until you find the Apps section and tap on it. This will show you a list of every app installed on your phone. From there, locate Chrome and select it. Once you're inside the Chrome settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you control what kinds of alerts Chrome is allowed to show you. Now tap on Notification Categories. Here, you'll see the different types of notifications Chrome can send, and this is where we specifically need to manage download activity. Find the option labeled Active Downloads, and tap on that. This is the setting responsible for showing what's currently downloading on your device. Inside the Active Download settings, choose Lock Screen. This will let you decide how much information is visible when your phone is locked. Finally, select Hide Content. With this enabled, you'll still get a notification that Chrome is downloading something, but the actual details about the file will stay hidden from your lock screen. That way, your downloads remain discreet, and no one glancing at your phone can see the content. And that's it. You're done. By following these steps, you've taken control over what Chrome shows on your lock screen, making your device more private and secure. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it makes a huge difference if you care about keeping your downloads personal. Thanks for watching. Thanks for